favorite girl. Okay, doing too much. Calm down. I got the bobbing today. Don't talk about my bonnet and my bob, because I'm bobbing everywhere. But okay. Welcome to my mouth is dry. I need some water. I'll do it when I get inside. I forgot to do my intro. What's up, it's your girl Shika coming at you with another video. Y'all make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 100 subscribers. Like, what are we doing? Yeah, so I already started like doing my eyebrows, trying to get them together.
But don't want just trust. Just trust. Sometimes when you get agitated and you're like, fuck, I tried to make it go this way, and then these niggas got to magazines, they're all over the place. So at the same time, I talk to you about it as confirmation. That's what it means. And guess what confirmation? You never go out.
That's the video. It's the video. Okay.
You are asking me how I look on live. You better
I'm in my dad's house and we're gonna do this makeup, and I'm gonna ask my dad like, how I look? Do I look good? Like, we were really just talking to my little brother, and this is what we normally do when we get together. We motivate, okay? We motivate because it be weeks, days, maybe sometimes months if the month gets a little busy. It'd be month, but it's never too long, and we always sit and we conversate and we make sure we're pouring into each other's cups with positivity and great vibrations, because everybody needs that. I don't want to say it. OCD. What is this? Concealer. LA Girl concealer. The color is Warm Sands. It's a little light on my skin, and that's what I need. And then I used this from a hair store, y'all. Most of it, probably. I don't know. But yeah, and this is the eyebrow pump. Oh! That's tickling my nose. Oh my gosh, this looks so much darker than my skin, but then it look like it. It looks like it blends. It's like helps get rid of like the bags, I think. I don't know. We just gonna use this where we want to use it at, and we gonna see what it do. You know what I mean? We gonna put some green under here, cause we gonna see what it does. We gonna see what it do. What it really does. You know what I mean? That's it. Am I going for Halloween? Because it's Halloween. No, I'm trying something. We're going to see what this come out to be. I don't know how to do my makeup for real, so. No, I don't know how to do makeup for real. Say huh? Why are we green? This is not going. Yes. I don't eat hot dog. Am I beating my face? Ooh, that mean I'm beating that thing.
Oh my, I thought I had AirPods in. I do have AirPods in.
Oh. Y'all can't tell me I don't look cute. I have my other mascara, but I left it. So
What happened to me? I used to ride all over the world, and now when I see a hot red, I don't even want to go over it. I don't know what happened.
I think I did good.
People can't drive. Excuse me.
Okay, I finished the makeup. That how my makeup look.
Oh, that's nice. That look better than that green stuff.
Oh, the green. Trust the process. I told y'all to trust that process.
Alright, what we get?
Oh, I look so. I want grill. I'll take grill. So I'm realizing a lot of my videos that I'm editing, I am not doing an outro at all. Like 0% doing an outro. I'm at 71 subscribers. Y'all help me get to 100 subscribers. When we hit 100 subscribers, we are doing a giveaway. Like, why not? Why not give back to the people that has given to me? Period. Another thing is make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so every time I drop a video, you guys will be notified. Like, y'all should want to see this beautiful face. I mean, I know I'm looking crazy now, and I got in a whole different hairstyle. I was editing this video. I'm like, I ain't even do, but okay, I gotta keep talking to y'all too much. I love talking to y'all, but I gotta go. Bye.
Something about the way you stare into my